Hello, welcome to Chapter 13, React CRUD Data Flow. The product's state is declared in an app component. This means that the product state can flow to product form and product list. Data flows only from parent components to child components. App is the owner of the product's state. The product state can be changed only by set products from the app component. In the component's product form and the products list, we need the products state and the set products function from app. They are passed by props. This is props. It is short from properties. This is props. This is a value of props. This is other props. This is a value of other props. Also for products list. Props and second props. Product form. We type a new product in the form and send a post request to the server. The server sends a request to the database, and the database inserts the new product into the products table and creates a primary key ID. The database returns the ID to server.js. Server.js then returns the ID to the front end. The front end uses the product state passed from app and local state, title, description, price, and the ID to update product state in app. To update products, here is updating products. This is set products. It is props set products, but it is value of props is original set products in app, because only original set products from owners of products, it is component app, can change. And because of that, we use props that we from component products list, product form, child component, we can activate, call, set products on the parents component app and change original state products in app component. Calling set products triggers re-render of app, which also re-renders its child components, product form and the product list. As a result, we see the updated products list on the user interface, because only products list have a list of products and must be re-rendered if we want to see updated products list. Products list. The products list component receives the product state and the set products function from app via props. it displays the list of products on the user interface. We can delete or edit a row from the list after performing the corresponding action in the database. Delete. Click on delete. Send a delete request with the product ID to the server. The server forwards the request to the database. The database deletes the product. The database does not return any content in object result. The server responds with HTTP status 204, which means no content. On the front end, we use filter and known ID to create a new product's state without the deleted product. Edit. The front end sends the edit status, title, and price along with the ID to the server. The server updates the product in the database. The database does not return the updated product because no new data was created. As for delete, when we think new data was created, we think on, I think on no created something what front end don't know. Edit side, front end, we change in front end title and description or and price. And we know that in the front end. And we know what it was ID, which row we edit. And all data is in front end. And we don't need send it by JSON, format in JSON and send the JSON form to server. We don't need it. Pardon. We must send it in JSON form to server, of course, but we don't need send back in response because in front end, edited data exists. Okay, and we don't need a JSON form from server to front end. We need only no content. It is enough, and it means in here this situation we can send. It means all is okay. We can also use some other status and write a message to us. Here we don't need any messages. We need 204 status, no content, and after that front end start create ID, new title, new price, and re-render, activate set products, and the set product calls re-rendering of concretely component. Re-rendering original products in app, and that original products on app will go to, in re-rendering also, go to products list, but we don't need in that moment in product form. Local states in products list. Local states in products list is, you see, products and the set products are props. We know value. Value is original products from app, original set products from app. And here we declare new title and a new price, because we only for a shorter code changes only title and price, not description. And the ID of products coming from here, and the new title and the new price coming from here. It is front end. At first, like in form of JSON, it go to server, but after server send it to database, database update, and return no contents, and to front end return. There is no, don't need return JSON because there is nothing for JSON form, and that no content is visible to front end. Front end after that call set products to and create ID, new title, new price, and update products, state products in app. I call it remove control from child, control parents, thanks to props. The new file and the new price are local states, but the product state comes from props. In products state comes from props is ID. It is complete ID, title, description, price. And so thanks to that original products what coming by props, front end no ID to whom we click delete or edit. Summary: the database return object result with the data what not exist in front end. Get returns product, post returns the new product ID, because ID for new record can give only database. For delete and update, the database does not return a result for delete and update, only execution metadata. The front end handle that metadata not important, not visible to us. The front end handles these actions using local state and known IDs. Get and post return result the front end can use. Delete and put respond with 204. So the front end updates state locally without fetching from the database again. We currently see only our own CRUD changes. To see changes made by other users, we must refresh the entire page, which means sending a new GET request. If you want to create a social network, immediately visible what other site entered, just ask AI how. Okay, it's all for this video. If you know somebody that need video like this, send message to them. And if you need subscribe, like, any feedback, any engagement, give this video more visits, and more visits, more engagement is excellent for all of us around this video. Our knowledge growing with uh, together with others visitors. Uh, Thank you for watching this video.